At least 3 meters, including a father-son duo, were killed after being inhumanly tortured by Kuki terrorists in Bishnupur district, Kwakta Municipal Council, Ward number 8, late last night. One deceased has been identified as Yumnam Jiten Mite, 46, sons of late Ivohol, while the deceased father and son have been identified as Yumnam Pisak Mite, 67, and Prem Kumar Mite, 39, respectively, of Kwakta Lamkai, Kwakta Municipal Council, Ward number 8. The father and son duo were sleeping in their house and Jiten in his house, which is exhausted when the terrorists attacked them. The 67-year-old Pisak was, while the left leg of the son Prem Kumar was found to be almost severed, and his right shoulder also sustained, strongly resisted the attempt the BSF convoy from proceeding and pressurized them to return. Later, the convoy turned back and returned towards Imphal. The 24-hour general strike called by the coordinating committee of 27 Assembly constituency in Manipur against the state government's failure to convene an emergency assembly session to discuss the prevailing situation in Manipur crippled normal life in Imphal Valley today. Markets and business establishments remain shut in almost all localities. Public transport stay off the road and only a few private vehicles were seen. Schools, colleges and offices also remain closed due to the strike. Market, Makawa, Maka, Boroi, Makhom areas along Imphal Road since morning. On the other hand, curfew relaxation from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. on August 5 has been withdrawn, and total curfew has been imposed in Imphal East and Imphal West district, official sources early said. Enraged people in Okram Tutek area tried to burn effigy of Prime Minister Modi in agitation. Protest demonstrations. Strict action needed people in their homes while they were sleeping. It's really something that needs to be answered now, he said.
Very sad and unfortunate news today morning that 3 people were killed while they were sleeping at their own residence in Bishnupur district, the Kwakta region. It's very sad with what is happening right now in our state. How these militants or these terrorists, because they're terrorizing people, are coming all the way from another district and coming into Delhi needs to be answered now. The so-called paramilitary forces and security forces who are flying around over there needs to answer a lot. How on earth this was allowed to happen? Who all were on duty at that point of time? I think these people need to be suspended. Strict action needs to be taken against them, and the particular company which is there, I think we need to take action. We've already written a memorandum to the Union Home Minister that there are certain security forces which is still creating some kind of an uneasiness between the people and the state. I think they really need to consider all these. Who is responsible for it? Let us take appropriate action against these people. Otherwise, there can never be peace, there can never be normalcy in the region. I have told earlier, we really need to take some proactive measures on the part of the central government. The command for the all Manipur security is with the Chief Security Advisor, and I'm hoping that some stringent measures needs to be taken right now. I know who's supplying these arms to them, the ammunitions to them. How on earth can an ethnic conflict last for more than 3 months? It's much more than that now. The central government needs to take certain measures. Manipur wants peace and normalcy. We do not want people to be killed while they are sleeping.
Catholic Association Shillong today organized a silent rally seeking peace and tranquility in the violence-hit Manipur. Thousands of people attended the rally and prayed for peace in the northeastern state. India's third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3, is set to make a significant maneuver in its journey today. The spacecraft is scheduled to enter the lunar orbit at 7 p.m., marking a crucial phase in this ambitious mission. Launched on July 14, 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Chandrayaan-3 has been on a steady course towards the moon. The lunar orbit insertion planned for today will see the spacecraft embedded in an orbit around the moon, a maneuver that will be performed from ISRO telemetry tracking and command network in Bengaluru. Chandrayaan-3's primary objective is to demonstrate a safe and sound landing on the lunar surface and operate a rover for approximately 1 lunar day or 14 Earth days. The rover, weighing just 26 kg, is equipped with scientific instruments including cameras, spectrometers and a drill to study the lunar surface. The mission is a stepping stone towards ISRO's future implementary mission, demonstrating crucial capabilities and paving the way for further exploration of our celestial neighbors. The spacecraft is expected to be landed near the lunar South Pole region on. A coordination meeting between Nodal Officer of BSF and BGP was held on Maitri Bridge, Saffron today. Indian delegation was led by SS Saroj Kumar Singha, PMGP MMS Deputy Inspector General, Nodal Officer Border Security Force, BSF Tripura Frontier and Border Guard Bangladesh. BGD delegation was led by SM Safiq Rahman, PSCG Director, Nodal Officer Southeast Region, Chottagram. The meeting was organized to discuss the issue of concern, mainly that of ensuring domination and security along the Indo-Bangladesh border, particularly in the inhospitable terrain on the eastern border. In the meeting, modalities for better coordination and domination was discussed. Meetings as such platform to address the issues to improve the cooperation, mutual trust and understanding between the two borders guarding forces will certainly go a long way. Now the headlines once again. Kuki terrorists torture killed 3 unarmed militants, including father and son. 2 Kuki terrorists killed in fresh gun battle, 4 volunteers, 1 commander personnel injured. "24 hours general strike called by coordinating committee of 27 Assembly constituency cripples normal life in Delhi." And special mission of Manipur Legislative Assembly likely on August 21, Kuki MP Manipur warns Kuki MLAs not to attend Assembly session. That's all we have for today's news bulletins.